With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here our question is heat of reaction depend upon. Okay, so first of all let's check what is heat of reaction. So according to Hess law, heat of reaction is equals to summation of the net heat of reaction. Okay, it can occur in several steps and it does not depends upon the path. Okay, enthalpy does not depend upon the path. It is actually a derived function of pressure, volume and temperature. Since pressure, volume and temperature are your state functions, so enthalpy is also your state function, and state functions depend upon initial and final condition. Initial and final condition. It doesn't depend upon the path. Okay, so according to the Hess law, total enthalpy change during the complete course of chemical reaction is independent upon the number of steps taken, and it is equals to this. Okay, so based on this information, let's check each and every option. It depends upon physical state of reactants and products. Yes, true, it depends upon the physical state of reactant and product. Okay, we can write delta H of reaction as summation of delta H of product minus delta H of summation of reactant in many cases. For example, when heat of formation we need to calculate. Okay, second is whether the reaction is carried out at constant pressure or at constant volume. This is also your correct option because it depends upon enthalpy depends upon pressure, volume and temperature. So it depends whether the reaction is happening at constant pressure or constant volume or constant volume. Okay, third, method by which the final products are obtained. So it does not depend upon method, so this will not be your answer. Temperature of the reaction, yes, it is also depends upon temperature of the reaction. Okay, whether it is exothermic, endothermic, whether the temperature is increasing or not increasing. Okay, you can see delta H is equals to, you can also write NCP delta T. So here you can see that enthalpy is depending upon temperature. Okay, and here this is your heat capacity at constant pressure. So this constant pressure is determining that it is happening at constant pressure. Okay, this CTP is signifying that is the reaction is happening at constant pressure. So it depends upon volume, whether the volume is constant, whether the pressure is constant, and temperature also. Okay,
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.